Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelechi Franklin, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you 4 free sales funnel builder that you can use for your affiliate marketing business. Yes, 4 free sales funnel builders in which you can use to start up your own affiliate marketing business. Yes, a funnel is one of the key elements when it comes to affiliate marketing business, which you can use to drive a lot of sales for yourself. If you are new to my channel, my name is Kelechi Franklin, and all you just need to do is to click on the subscribe button and the notification button so that you can be able to receive notification whenever I post videos like this. All I do on this channel is to share tips and tricks and strategies on how you can be able to make money online. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up or a like so that more people can be able to see this video. The more likes this video get, the more people come to see this video. So it's a funnel. If you might be wondering what a funnel is, for those of you who are beginners who are wondering what a sales funnel is, for me, I basically describe a funnel as the process where people get to know you, to when they get to buy your product. Yes, that point where people come to know you to the point where they come to buy your particular product in which you are advertising or you are marketing. Yes, probably you are advertising a product on Facebook or wherever you're advertising it, and these people come to see you, click your link, they go to the process of submitting their email address and all of that. To the process, they come to your WhatsApp. Thereby you now have to convert, you now have to turn these individuals or make them to buy your product. That is what a sales funnel is. That process in which you take them from where they saw you to where you make them to buy your product. That is what a sales funnel is. So when you are in the online space, you need to know how to make use of these individual tools that are available so that you can be able to make a lot of sales for yourself. That is why you need to know how to use the different funnels or the different tools that are available in order for you to convert your sales. Your ability to combine or bring in series of different landing pages together, and at the end of the day you build it as a funnel or an affiliate funnel marketing in order for you to sell or make your product go effectively. So I'm going to be sharing with you the different tools in which you can use to start up your affiliate marketing business. So if you're a beginner, you are starting up in the online space and you are trying to grow your business or your affiliate program or your lead, all you just need to do is to follow through as I'm going to be showing you all you need to do. It would interest you to know that a lot of sales funnels or a lot of funnel builders can give you the opportunity to start up and use the free version of it to grow your business till the extent when you have grown it where you can be able to start making use of the paid version, whereby it will give you option to start making use of the higher features or more features for you to start making use of. Yes, there are a lot of funnel builders in which you can be able to use in order for you to get started and start making good use of it. And without no particular order, the first tool that I'll be showing you guys is GetResponse. Yes, GetResponse. GetResponse over the years have grown to not just become an email marketing tool, but has also gone to an extent of becoming a robust marketing platform in which gives you the opportunity for you to create series of landing pages through your funnel, and they have free features or free forever features for you to use and make use of them. If you look at what they provide for you to use as a free version, you have the opportunity to use the email marketing program, to use the conversion funnel, to use autoresponder, to create series of landing pages, automation, forms, paid adverts, webinars, and many other features in which they give you as a free version for you to use this particular website. So GetResponse is no longer, you cannot call them a smaller marketing tool. We can also call it a robust tool, in which these days have made a lot of things more easier, and a lot of people who have started affiliate marketing system are making good use of it. There are a lot of things in which they can give you. You can create series of landing pages for yourself and all of that. All these are what GetResponse can give you the opportunity to do. So when you have started making use of it, you have the opportunity to advance from the normal free version to the paid version, whereby it can give you additional features for you to start making good use of them. So GetResponse is not something you can look down on. It's an affiliate marketing program or affiliate marketing tool in which you can use to get started. So you can use it, and you can use it to get started. The next one I'll be talking about is Mailchimp. Yes, Mailchimp. Mailchimp is another robust affiliate marketing tools in which have over the years have proven themselves to be better and greater, and they are making a lot of weight when it comes to tools in which people can use when it comes to affiliate marketing tools. They have a lot of features in which it gives you. If you look at what they give you, the opportunity they give you the opportunity to create a landing page, digital advert, social media posts, and a lot in which they can give you. They also give you the opportunity to create website for yourself, an online store too, and even give you the opportunity to create a domain for yourself or for your business in order for you to get started. So they have a lot of creative tools, and they have creative assistants and even subject line helper. All these are different tools. If you know how to make use of them, you can be able to use them and start your affiliate marketing program. So they say get your business online for free. So they give you the free version in which you can be able to sign up for free and you get started. All you just need to do is to follow through the process, and you will be able to know how to make use of them individually. So your ability to make use of them and know how to use them will give you the opportunity to start collecting or start making use of them effectively. The next thing I'll be talking about, or the next one I'll be talking about, is Thrive Architect. Thrive Architect, this is a WordPress based platform. It's a WordPress based platform. It allows you to build series of landing pages too, and this series of landing page makes you or gives you the ability to create different funnels, or for you to build funnels. For those of you who don't know how WordPress works, WordPress is one marketing platform in which can give you the opportunity to create series of landing pages for yourself and all of that. This Thrive Architect gives you the opportunity to have a call to action button, testimonials. All these things are what you need to put together in order for you to get started. You can put your style, credit card icon, also put your lead generator form, content box, animated countdown timer, and a lot of things in which you can be able to do. So it is a WordPress based platform, just like WordPress and all of that. So Thrive Architect also gives you the opportunity to build blocks for your page. It gives you the opportunity to build blocks for your page, such as paragraph, text, headlines, image, background section, columns, layout, and clicks to your different social media platform and all of that. So if you're able to know how to make use of them, you will see that you can be able to go through them. So the last one I'll be talking about is Elementor. Yes, Elementor is a cool tool to use. It's a very cool tool to use, especially it has different colors and all of that. So it's a cool tool to use. This is a website builder too. It's a website builder that allows you to build series of landing pages that you need. Yes, that you need in order to build up your funnel. So from your opt-in page to your sales page and or page you want to take people to. All of these things you can be able to build using your Elementor. So all you just need to do is to know how it works and all of that. If you look at the different features in which they give forum, they give you the opportunity to create different landing pages and all of that. If you go through down, let me show you. It gives you the opportunity to have these particular portfolios, landing pages, mobile blogs, and all of that. So it is a very good tool to use, and it has advanced web creation and professional workflow for you to make use of. So it is a very nice tool to use if you know how to use, and their colors are very good. It's very catchy to the eyes and can allow you to build your own sales funnel for yourself. All you just need to do is to know how to use all of these tools and you can get started. So Elementor gives you the opportunity to use or create a website design, marketers, developers, agencies, and lots of things in which you can be able to do with Elementor. So the all feature aspect, if you look at the all feature aspect, when you open it, you have to get started with it and all of that. So all you just need to do is to register. You have the free version of it, in which can enable you to do whatever thing. All of these tools I mentioned, the 4 of them, have the free version or the free features in which can allow you to get started as an affiliate. So when you start making your money or you start making more, you can decide to go into or get the higher features that can give you better features for you to use and all of that. So if this video was helpful, do well to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I have created a video on how you can be able to use the Mailchimp and all of that. So for those of you who would like to see how to use the Mailchimp and create a landing page and all of that, you can go through the video. It's in the description box as I have dropped it there. Go through it and see how you can be able to use the Elementor and create a landing page for yourself and all of that. All of these tools are not difficult. Your ability to put them together and channel them will give you a hit or give you the ability to create your sales or make your sales come true. So guys, if this video was helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Peace.